Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Daniel Boateng. We have been learning, and I'm still on beginners. Some people have been coming to me for lessons, and I've seen how the challenges beginners are going through. So this time I've taken my time to take these lessons systematically so that it will help you wherever you are. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification so that you will be updated anytime I upload a video. Don't miss any lesson from my channel. Your comment is welcomed, and then your shares, your thumbs up is well needed. Well, previously we did a Highlife guitar chord exercise 1. This time we're going to do Highlife guitar chord exercise 2 for beginners. I am much particular about beginners. You see, it's not easy to find some of these lessons online to learn. That's why I've taken time to break these things down for you. So stay tuned. All right, in our previous lesson we did C major and then G7. Okay, we did something like do, like this, and then good. This time we are going to look at C and then A minor. We're going to look at C and then A minor. You already know how to place your fingers on the C major, like this. If you have forgotten, you can refer to my first video on Highlife guitar chord exercise 1. This is C major. Now let's look at A minor, then we add the activity. Okay, A minor, your first finger is still on the C here. Then put your second finger on the second fret of the D string like this. Then your third finger, put it on the second fret of the G string. So first finger on the first fret of the B string, second finger on the second fret of the D string, and then third finger on the second fret of the G string. Then you play from the root. Okay, play from the root. Let's see the right. Play from the root again. Play it again. Good. So we are going to do this activity at every 4 count. At every 4 count we play C, and then another 4 count we play A minor. All right, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. 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 Good. As simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. Let's do it again. This time, in the first place, we started from the A minor. That is the La. Then we went to the Do. This time we are starting at the Do. Then we go to the La. You can see that Okay, so we are starting from the C, then we go to the A minor. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 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 go. Very good. You have to take your time, then add some metronome at a specific speed. Let's try and add some metronome. Okay, so let's add some metronome at 75 beats per minute. In fact, I have to make this lesson very interesting. So let's go. 75 beats per minute. So we are starting at C. We are starting at C. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is that. It continues like that. Okay, it's very simple and easy to do. I know that as a beginner you may find some difficulties. I know it is normal. All the challenges you are going through as a beginner guitarist is normal, but perseverance is what you need. You need to work hard, practice, take your lessons very seriously, and practice every day. Practice every day. It is only practice that will help you become perfect on the guitar. On this note, let's end here with today's lesson. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe now, and then click on the notification so that you will not miss any lesson from this channel. We will meet next time for another beautiful lesson. Thank you.